All right, women in medicine, how's it going for you? What's going on? I'm on a ride, just got back from vacation. I look at the barn. The barn is kind of like the brain. It holds things, protects things, makes us who we are. So as a working woman, we absolutely have got to have our barn, our brain, right? To help others and to make this world a better place. So I know there are persistent challenges for women working in medicine. Women docs is just like there's so many inequities that persist. And I always wish there was like a GPS, like a handbook or a workbook or something that would help me navigate this career. So I'm just really appreciative of, the information I found over the years, and I just put it together in a 9-step framework, and I created Brain Hammock. So that's a fun, informational, insightful program, 9 steps for women docs. Jump in. It's there for you. It's a community. It's a safe place to learn. We kind of learn together. We walk together through this. There's no shame. We acknowledge, neuroscience-wise, we can keep learning. We can find new skills. We can find new insights about where to put our time and energy, because certain things have promises, and I don't find all the misinformation helpful at all, right? So if we keep talking about emotions coming from our heart, how are we going to make sense of this professional well-being and the mental and emotional turmoil that comes with certain high-risk professions? So I think we really have to be honest about neuroscience, the science of it, and then strategies. How can we use it, what we know? Why should we let the research get dusty, right? Why don't we use what's out there to guide us, right? So join Brain Hammock. I'd love to see you there. It's open now. It's the first group, so you're welcome to jump in. And I'm also learning how to coach women to start their businesses or even think about it. So if that's you, jump into Brain Hammock, because I have to coach people for free for a while. So jump in, and that's part of the bonus right now. Okay, you got this.